Thank you for sending the item to check out, and it's 100% pure badger shaving brush, and it's Perfecto. So why using shaving brush and why badger hair? When it comes to badger hair, it's the gold standard. It has excellent water to heat retention and lather quality. And when it comes to pure badger hair, it's a good entry level and works with coarser hair. I'm still new to using a shaving brush, but there were many benefits that I've learned that why didn't I use a shaving brush earlier? Because when it comes to superior hydration, a shaving brush can help with that. When you're mixing in the water and the product, you get a more effective lather using less air. Because when you're using your hands and you're just kind of like smashing all up, adding air and drying out the water, and you notice that when you put it on your face, that you kind of feel like your face is drying up and the lather is uneven. So when you're shaving, it doesn't get an easy glide. It can also clean and exfoliate by gently sweeping away the debris and the dead skin cells from the skin surfaces and around the hair, which kind of replaces the pre-shave wash and may help with the ingrown hairs by lifting up the hair away from the skin. So you can use the razor a little bit more easier, requiring less pressure and less passes. And it also just feels nice against the skin. And also, when you're finishing using the brush, after you rinsed it and you're letting it air dry, do not stand it up. You can either dry it on the side or hang it upside down. There's a specific stand that'll hold the brush upside down so that it can keep its shape. And also note that since this is genuine badger hair, there will be some shedding of the brush, but after using it a few times, it should stop, and this is completely normal. And this has been Perfecto 100% pure badger shaving brush.